Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to number 2 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, you got about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds, you got about 2 secant of t tan t dt. Because first derivative of this one, you got about this one. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 3, that's it from here. So we put number 3 gone here, and later that we divide both sides by number 2. So you got about t equal to a secant of 3 over 2. Next, when s go to positive infinity, so t should go to b over 2. Because if we put b over 2 gone here, you got about number 0 on denominator. That's why you got about positive infinity. Number 3, we change by this one. This one we change by b over 2. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. Now, this one you got about 4 secant of t square. Number 4, we can do about factorization. This one you got about tan t square. Now we simplify 2 tan t on numerator and denominator. So this one we change by sin t over cosine t. This one we change by 1 over cosine t. We simplify cosine t, and we have 1 over 2 sin t. And now we put 1 over 2 gone here. Sin t, in this situation, we change cosecant of t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosecant of t, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. And we put the bounds from a secant of 3 over 2 to b over 2. So we put b over 2 and a secant of 3 over 2 gone here. We know that cosecant of b over 2, you got about number 1. Cotan of b over 2, you got about 0. ln of number 1, you got about 0 in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.